Mabrika! Welcome to a new episode of Let's Talk Taíno. I'm Priscilla Colón, co-founder and creative here at Casa Areyto, where our mission is to promote the Taíno language and culture. Before we begin, I'd love you to take a moment to click the notifications and subscribe to our channel. It will allow us to reach more people who are interested in learning about the Taíno language and culture. I really appreciate it, and as I always say, together we can do it. Now, let's start with our episode. Today, we're going to be working on 3 words that are going to be very useful when you ask and answer questions. And these words are han, yes, ua, no, gabasí, maybe. Now, of course, we need an exercise to practice these new words. Now, here's our activity. I'm going to ask a series of questions. They're very simple, but you're not going to know the answer unless you take a look at a picture. Based on the picture, we'll use the correct word. Han, yes, ua, no, or gabasí, maybe. Are you ready? I want to try this out. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's get started. So the first question is, Buk boria ina wata? Will you work tomorrow? Well, we'll need to take a look at the picture first. Ah, I see it. Here's the hint. The picture says, it's Monday. So if tomorrow is Monday, what do you think the answer is? That's right. Most people work on Mondays, so the answer is han. Yes. Now, why don't we answer the question in a complete sentence? Han, dak boria ina wata. Yes, I will work tomorrow. Now, if you're new to the channel, you may have thought, oh no, that's a huge sentence. How did you do that? Don't worry, I have left a list of all of the previous episodes where we learned how to talk about the future and used all of these words before, so check them out in the list below the video description. Are you ready for the next example? Here's the question. Guak akanaha ina wata? Will we win tomorrow? I wonder what we're supposed to win. Let's take a look at the picture. Ah, I see. The picture shows the Powerball. And let's look closely. It says the odds of winning are 1 in 292 million. I don't like those odds. How about you? So, with those odds, what do you think the answer is? Han, ua, or gabasí? That's right. Logically, the answer should be ua, no, because our odds of winning aren't that great. Now, let's answer the question in a complete sentence. Ua, guak mat akanaha ina wata. No, we will not win tomorrow. I don't know about you, but I would love to win the lottery someday. Now, let's take a look at the next question. Yaraka ina para wata? Will it rain tomorrow? Well, let's take a look at the picture. The picture says 50% chance of rain. So we're not really sure if it will rain or not. What do you think the answer should be? Han, ua, or gabasí? Well, if we're not sure if it will rain because there's a 50% chance, then the answer is gabasí, maybe. Now let's put that in a complete sentence. Read aloud with me. Gabasí yaraka ina para wata. Maybe it will rain tomorrow. Not bad, right? We were able to answer questions using pictures to predict whether the answer should be han, yes, ua, no, or gabasí, maybe. Now, why don't we review one more time everything we learned today? Han, yes. Dakboria ina, I will work. Akanaha, to win. Guak akanaha ina, we will win. Ua, no. Guak mat akanaha ina, we will not win. Gabasí, maybe. Yaraka ina para, it will rain. Wata, tomorrow. Thank you as always for joining me here week after week and learning Taíno along with me. As I always say, together we can bring back Taíno. If you want to continue studying, check out all the resources we have at casaareyto.com. There you'll find our kids' books in English and Spanish. You'll find other books that we recommend, and you can try out our digital course. That's right, it's the first digital course for the Taíno language. And to stay in the know, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. In the meantime, tay karaya guaitiao nagu.